Yes, hello friends. So this is the video tutorial for today's lead code problem of the day. 3512 minimum operations to make array sum divisible by k. So it's a pretty easy problem. If you are a beginner, you should watch this editorial. Otherwise, you should definitely attempt this as video. Let's see what the question says. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. You can perform the following operation any number of times. Select an index I and replace nums I with nums I minus 1. Return the minimum number of operations required to make the sum of the array divisible by k. So here we can see the array is 397. So the sum would be 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 7, 19. And we want 19 divisible by 5. Right. So sum is 19. One second. Sum is 19 and we want 19 mod 5. Or basically 19 should be divisible by 5. And what are the operations that we can do is that we can reduce the value. So in one operation we can reduce one value, so we can do one in one operation, we can do one minus 1, right? So if let's say we need do op operations, we can do 19 op minus op. This would be a final sum. This is the number of operations we are doing, so 19 minus op, and this mod 5 has to be 0. So that is 19 mod 5 minus op mod 5, because see mod can be broken down here. So minus op mod 5 equals to 0, that is 19 mod 5 equals to op mod 5. That is what should be our operation. Now we want the minimum number of operations, right? So what would be the minimum number of operations? That is, see, here 19 mod 5 is 4. So operations could be 4, it could be 9, it could be 13, right? All of these. So that is starting with 4 and just add 5, because see we are doing a modulo 5 here. So if we just add 5, the modulo the mod 5 value won't change. So 4 plus 9 plus 13, sorry, 4 plus 9 plus 14 plus 19 and so on, right? What would be the minimum? That is this only. So that is operation should be just 19 mod 5, or if we want to generalize it, it should be just some mod k. Should be some mod k, which makes sense, right? See, after getting the total sum of the array, there are some extra values, right? And what is the extra value? This is just the remainder. This is the remainder of when we do sum divisible division by k, or we divide k, we divide sum by k. That is the remainder, or better represented as sum mod k. And this remainder, if we remove, will the rest of the sum, the rest sum would be divisible by k. Right. So all you need to do now is get the sum, get its modulo by k, and this is the number of operations that you need to do. So yeah, pretty simple solution. We can even go to the code. It's quite simple. I just go through all the values in the array and calculated sum. Note that here, because the num size is around 10 is to power 3, and the num size dot length is also 10 is to power 3, so the maximum sum can be 10 is to power 3 into 10 is to power 3, so that is 10 is to power 6, right? That is why I'm just keeping it in integer, otherwise we'll have to use long here. Yeah, I just calculate the total sum and return sum module. Okay, and this works. And yeah, thank you for watching. If I was able to make you understand something, please give me a like and subscribe, all of those things. Bye bye.